Welcome to Plaisterers Hall. Welcome to the first UK-PNG Trade and Investment Summit. We were overwhelmed, surprised and really quite warmed by the amount of interest that we had in this. 300 people here this morning.
I'm delighted to be here this morning to say a few remarks at the opening of your meeting organised by the Developing Markets Associates.
It is my great pleasure to be here with you today at this important inaugural United Kingdom Papua New Guinea Trade and Investment Forum. It is encouraging to see a broad section of the business community from Europe and of course other parts of the world who are here joining us today. Papua New Guinea is going through an exciting phase of its development after 40 years of independence since 1975. We have continued sustained economic growth, averaging about 8 to 9% per annum. We would like you to be part of that growth so that you can continue to enjoy the success of your business in our country. Now is the time to invest, particularly with the state of the global economy as the world moves beyond the bottom end of the commodity market. Stability, responsible management, and growth is what we offer to you. The opportunities in Papua New Guinea are never better than it has been for many, many years. Our ministers and officials and I will engage with you in a dialogue over the next few hours and answer any of your questions that you may have. Papua New Guinea is open for business, and I invite you and your colleagues to join us in maximizing these opportunities together. Thank you, and thank you for listening.
Research is PNG's largest company. It's the largest listed company. It's also the largest investor in the country. On that basis, we're very and totally committed to Papua New Guinea. We operate all the oil producing fields and we contribute about 20% of the gas that's required for PNG LNG.
We take our social licence to operate very seriously. We're helping to drive financial inclusion and financial education to remote parts of PNG through our Money Minded programme and our award-winning mobile phone banking platform. ANZ's view as a key long-term investor is positive, and we see infrastructure in particular as a key enabler for the country to reach its full potential.
The future of PNG is bright and we continue to be encouraged by the leadership and vision of the government. We are partners in the project, in driving economic growth and in the community and in a shared future. I am passionate about Papua New Guinea and believe the future for the country is a bright one.
It is good to come out here and of course strengthen the relationships that we already have with many companies who already operate in Papua New Guinea, but also looking at engaging with new companies who want to come and do business in PNG. Our friends at the UK government and of course at the DMA who have been able to assist us in putting this conference and forum together, and we are very appreciative of that, and of course that we look forward to engaging with them in the near future.
right type of people were here, the right level of people. I walked away with a pocket full of business cards and real good opportunities to chase business. I'm really quite excited, and what I also loved was the enthusiasm. Genuinely, you could see they were open to do business with English-speaking or British companies, and for that reason it was definitely not a waste of time.
Hopefully we've given the message that we are a stable and growing country that would like to achieve the next level of maturity. And I think a lot of the people in the room today will allow us to do that.
It's tremendously exciting because Papua New Guinea is an exciting stage, and I think this forum today is even going to make it more visible at the international stage.
It's very important that we showcase Papua New Guinea all around the world, and Papua New Guinea is a developing country. We need to be able to show that we're not just a resource country, being able to illustrate to investors all around the world that Papua New Guinea in the financial institutions are soundly managed, well and prudentially sound, that investors have faith to be able to come and invest in Papua New Guinea.
Thank you very much, and thank you to DMA and of course to UK government and of course the Foreign Office and the Trade Office for organising this particular forum and conference. And we are very thankful for that opportunity, and of course we would like to do it again, and we're hoping that we'll come back to London in a couple of years and expand on some of the contacts that we have made today. We want long-term relationship, long-term partnerships. Once again, thank you very much, and we look forward to seeing you in Papua New Guinea very soon.
Prime Minister, great pleasure. Look forward to seeing you there. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.